With everything that comes into play with having an Amazon business, how do you decide which tool is going to be best to serve you in terms of the price that it costs, the features that it has, as well as the accuracy of the tool? Now, I've discovered so many different tools and probably used 10 different tools in my Amazon journey, from everything from Boost 9 to Jungle Scout to things like Unicorn Smasher, and even many one-off tools that'll just help you with one little subsect of things like just sending emails out to customers or just creating landing pages for your products. I've actually had some really successful videos that helped people get these tools, but I've found a better software and I've started to really push this one a bit more to you guys because of all the features and benefits and the cost that it has associated with it. So in this video today, by the end of it, we're going to discuss how we can use Helium 10 to better our Amazon business, and I'm also going to cover some of the best main updates that they just added that are really going to knock the socks off of a lot of different softwares out on the market. So also in this video, I'm going to give you a price comparison of Helium 10 and Jungle Scout, which I feel are the two big main competitors in the Amazon space for certain softwares. And I'm also going to show you, as I can show in this email here, some of the different tools that Helium 10 just added, which is actually, one is going to be portals, which is going to help you create landing pages optimized for your Amazon listings, where you can then drive traffic from your social media or even run Google ads. And this will help you build an email list of customers that then you can launch new products to every time you launch a new product under your brand. So that's super helpful, and it's awesome that they're integrating that right inside of Helium 10 itself. There's no other software I've found that covers everything in the books, from your product research and email automation, that actually has an actual landing page that you can set up for your products built in. But Helium 10 includes this as well. So you'll also see that they've added a market tracker, where you're not just tracking products, you're actually tracking your entire market, seeing who's winning, and then you can follow those products to then make yours kind of similar to theirs and catch up to the trends that they're doing. They also have a mobile app, and then they have a new ads platform, which is only available to elite users, and it's in the beta phase. They might allow this to more of the users as time goes on. Now, before I jump behind my computer, I want to actually pull up their Helium 10 mobile app, and you can see it's right here, and it actually gives me a nice overview of my gross sales. And one thing I want to ask them to do is, actually, if you guys are watching this Helium 10, please make it so instead of just showing my gross sales, I want to see the actual profit, because as I'll show you when I'm behind my computer, it will actually show me the profit I make as well as the actual sales. So I can see here yesterday's sales, I'm up $432, and kind of it gives me a nice overview. And if I scroll down, it's actually going to show my products and the sales trends. So this is a nice thing to have on hand. There's even an alerts button here. No alerts found. So if I get a negative review or anything like that, a negative feedback or positive feedback, that's going to be shown here as well. And as you can see, the app right here, Helium 10, you can download this for free as long as you've synced your Amazon account up with Helium 10, which you can see in many other videos online how to do that. So if you guys like these types of videos, please drop a thumbs up. And if you want me to create other comparison videos, please let me know in the comments down below if you want me to review any other tool, or tell me what software you guys like to use, and maybe I can go look into that as well and make a review on it. And we'll jump behind my computer and get this video going right now. So the first thing I want to cover real quick is the pricing comparison between Helium 10 and Jungle Scout, and just showing you overall that Helium 10 is a better overall offer. So jumping down, you can see they do have a free plan which you can sign up for, and you're going to be able to use things quite a bit. You can actually use their really important tool, which is X-Ray, which gives you pretty much, I can show you inside of Amazon, it shows you the amount of sales per month certain products make, the reviews they have, the review velocity, the keyword search volume per month on Amazon for a certain keyword, like we're looking at garlic presses here. And right behind that, I have Jungle Scout, which I'm going to touch on in a minute. But that's what X-Ray is, and you get 50 uses of that per month. Now there's also an option called the a la carte menu, when if you want to use more than 50 uses a month, you can go ahead and get this for just $17 a month. Now comparing this Chrome extension, which is exactly the same as Jungle Scout's Chrome extension, which actually Jungle Scout gives less information, as you can see here, this is all they really show. They don't give you the search volume or the fees per unit or anything like that. So this actually has less information and it costs more, $40 a month compared to $17. Now we can do that all across the board for all the different tools that they have. And also we can compare Black Box. This is $40 a month, and this is what pretty much gives you the option to type in certain filters and it will find products based on the filters you put in. For instance, I want to find a product that's making 100 to 200 sales a month and is priced between $40 and $60, something like that. Now, if you look over at Jungle Scout, their tool that does that same thing is $50 a month. So I really loved Jungle Scout in the past, but once they started upping their price, I had a hard time kind of promoting it. So now the Platinum plan is something that's going to cover all these different tools. It is $97 a month, but I want to show you guys something special here. If you come up and you add Luke50, and I'll have a link down below to Helium 10, and you want to use that link and type in this code, and it will specifically give you a discount, you can apply and get half off of everything here. So you can get Black Box for 18 bucks. You can come down and get X-Ray for $8 a month. So the only thing is, if you use the 50% off discount, it's going to give you that for only 1 month. Now, if you want to use Luke 10, you can get a 10% off discount for every single month. And if you plan on using this for more months, I would recommend that. You can still come down and use that for the a la carte menu. So I just wanted to show you how Helium 10's pricing comparison to Jungle Scout just kind of beats out the day. Coming over to their actual dashboard, you can see at the top they have the profits, and this is what I was showing you guys earlier on the mobile app, and it will show me my net profit today. So I'm at a 47% profit margin, which is great. I've only had 4 sales, 618 in revenue, and $288 in profit. So that's exactly what I'm going to go type in over here on my actual spreadsheet where I keep track of my Amazon profit, which is this column. I'm hiding it from the top, which will actually show my product names. But you can see on this product, I made $253 and $34 profit. And this is all talking about pretty much the profits after all the fees and everything goes into this. It will give me yesterday's profit and everything and the 7-day report. Of course, we're going through that crazy pandemic right now, so some of my sales are a bit lower. And there's so much more in here. I can check out my inventory levels, the expenses, any refunds, and kind of track that and follow up with customers and see why they had problems. I'm not going to scroll down because it will show my products down here below. There's just so much that this tool has to offer. I want to jump in and give you a quick look as well at their brand new beta phase of their portals. This is where you create a portal. It's basically they have a plug and play version where you can set up your Amazon listing to a cool landing page. And then from there, you're giving a customer a nice little coupon code, a discount. Then they buy your product and they have to put their email in to actually get that discount. And then it'll take the customer to a thank you page where the customer can redeem your product. And oftentimes you can set up a 2-step URL, which I've done videos about before, that when customers buy, you'll actually be ranking for specific keywords that you choose so that you'll hit page 1 faster. So this is a great way to get emails and rank your product, and then later launch new products to these same customers that might fall in love with your brand. So then you can drive traffic to your portal, send traffic from social media, your email list, or paid advertising, and then you can start building your list. And all this information is kept right in here, and all the analytics and data, the emails, everything is kept right inside of Helium 10. And over here they have templates, and I actually haven't even gotten started with this, but once I do, I can set up plug and play templates just like I said, so that's super helpful. Now, taking a look at Market Tracker, again, I'm just giving you guys an overview of all these tools. I'll probably make an in-depth one. If you see one feature you want me to make a more specific video on, I can dive into that full-fledged for you guys. But the Market Tracker here is the competitor intelligence tool. You may ask yourself, hey, is this a good market to enter? How am I doing in comparison to the overall market? Am I gaining market share? Which competitor is gaining or losing? And once you get into this tool, you can see there's a nice little video. They're going to give you the information, and I can start tracking my markets right there. So how the tracker works is pretty much you'll put in a new market based on certain keywords, and then you'll put in some products by putting in the Amazon ASIN, which is the product identifier within Amazon. And then once you have that prepared, your market is going to start processing. It's going to give you the top keywords, the top products. And then once your market is organized, it's going to start processing, and it will suggest to you the top products for each keyword in that market and see who's winning and how they're winning in that specific market, and come over here and analyze and get a full picture view of how your market is doing with all the data in one place. So the Market Tracker is really cool. This is a brand new tool once again. Now, because I don't have an elite membership, I don't see any of the advertising options for me to go and check their new advertising tool. But like I said, I think they're going to release that to people in due time who have lower plans, like maybe the a la carte menu or the platinum plan, which is the one I'm on right now. But up at the top, guys, it's awesome. They have their follow-up where you can set this up and then send emails to certain customers. And I'm actually yet to set this up. I've been sending emails manually out to customers, so I'm super excited that now I can set up my first template and get my emails going out to customers to leave me reviews, to let them know how to use my certain products, all that good stuff as well. So back here at the home page, you have your profit tracker, you have the follow-ups, you have your portals for the landing page, and they also have this thing called the Freedom Ticket. Now what that looks like is actually a $997 course that they've priced and actually gives you kind of an overall Amazon course. Now again, I've looked into this and they're not going to give you one-on-one help as something that I might do. This is something, just a broad overview. If you want to start learning how Amazon works, you can go ahead and learn this kind of course. They have a little intro video about how it works. But again, I want to remind you that I have my own Amazon course, which is half this price. It covers everything you need to know. You can double up with your info here and really start knocking it out of the park at that point. But you're going to get my one-on-one coaching and mentorship, and that's not something really any other courses are offering because people on YouTube have such big followings and they can't reach out to people. So you can't really expect someone with 20,000, 50,000 and more subscribers to go and sit down with you for 1-hour calls, which I give for free after people finish my course. So here's how you get access to this one. You basically have to sign up for the premium plan, which is going to give you access to everything, your keyword tools, your email follow-ups, and then you can come up and click on Freedom Ticket, and then you will unlock access to their little Amazon course in here too. So I think that's really cool to have. So again, I want to say thank you guys for watching this video, and if you found any value in it at all, please drop a thumbs up. I want to remind you once again, drop down below, what did you guys think of this video? What are some of the most important features that you guys are looking for in tools? Because I feel like Helium 10 is probably going to watch this video, and if we read the comments and see we want to get a better profit tracker or any of these other things, that's stuff that they want to know and I want to relay to them so they can better optimize their tool over time. And like I mentioned throughout this video, if you guys are interested in having that one-on-one mentorship with a real coach who's got over 200 students and still has time to help you guys one-on-one, feel free to check out my Instagram down below and add me there so we can start talking in some messages. And if you just want to jump right into it, I have a full Amazon course that's priced at $497, and I'm planning to raise that price up as I'm actually working to blow up my YouTube channel and may even start running paid ads to it. So if you want to get this help, it's not going to be around forever, so I hope you guys take advantage. So thanks a lot again, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.